watching Toxxic Rise.
I like the way it's going down. I like the way it's going down.
My name is Freddie. I got this 1986 Buick Regal hopper. When you see me, pull up.
I'ma guide you through it, step by step, by step by step by step. I'ma walk you through it, step by step, by step by step by step. I'ma guide you through it. Follow me. I'ma walk you through it. Walk with here. Let's go. Yeah, yeah, Once again, be better.
All right, Freddie, now, a lot of people don't know that when I wanted to start this channel, you was the first person that I hit up. Yeah. And then we couldn't make it happen, and then you crashed into the goddamn stop sign,
yes,
which pretty much went viral as hell. So, finally, we got the A. We got some cars coming out. We got some hoppers, and you busting their ass. So, what made you get a hopper and represent the A as strong as you represent?
So, the first thing, I've always wanted a hopper. I've always built cars, but not as this. So, back then, it was just like a single pump, regular kit, you know. So, it's always been in my blood like that.
Right,
you know?
right.
Since California, I've always wanted to, you know, be somewhere in the hop game.
Right.
So I started building other cars, and I started kind of selling them, getting money, then reselling them.
Right.
And then until I ran into some guy, and I posted it that I wanted to trade my 64 Impala for a hopper.
Right.
So I didn't build this hopper, so there's no credits of me building it, but we did a lot of changes to it.
Okay.
And I just want to give out shout outs to the guy that, you know, that built the hopper, the ex-owner as well. They got me a good ass car, but we making it, you know, bigger inches. So it takes a lot of more work, more money, more experience. And, you know, the guys from Firme Estilo and Firme Hydro Works, they started messing with my hydraulics, and they're the ones that are getting me up there where I want it to be. So it's always been in there.
I see you traveling across the country, busting heads open. So how hard are you trying to go on everybody else to let them know that we coming?
Well, honestly, I got some idols, bro. and I just want to be up there with them guys. I don't want to know beef with nobody. I just want to be up there with them guys. And whenever videos come out, I want to be next to their car, hopping, you know, and it's just about fun, man. And it's a lifestyle that I've had for a long time, you know, but I really don't have no, like, oh, I want to go out and beat everybody's ass. No, I just want to be up there.
Gotcha.
You know, you know, like I said, I'm a humble guy, you know. No beef, no nothing. Just want to go have fun, represent my club, and the guys that doing the hydraulic work on my car. And that's it, man. I don't need nothing else.
And that's what it's about. We trying to just
have
like a family-oriented, free thing where everybody's just getting along and enjoying the culture that
I want to be able to go in to the hop pit, say hi to everybody, and that's it. Shake their hands after a hop, lose or win, I don't care. You know, I just want to be out there.
Right.
You know.
Now, I saw the ATL HOE on the tag. You let them know when you hit the bumper.
Oh, yeah.
What it's about.
Yeah, man. So, homeboy Jose and Chaparro, they're the ones that came out with that plaque. So they were like, hey, I order you something, you know, so that way they know that we're from Atlanta. I said, well, let's do it, you know. So now everybody when I go out of town, they're like, oh, that's the car, that's the ATL HOE car. And, you know, that's how we're getting recognized. But then the stop sign thing came up, and then everybody's like, that's a stop sign guy, that's a stop sign Freddie, and, you know, and they went viral, like you said. So it was good. It's a good thing for us, for me as just a person, and for my club, you know, that I love and respect so much. And I'm just gonna try to take it to the next level, you know. And every time we come out, we're gonna try to be better and, you know, bigger inches and better, you know, at everything we do.
I heard the system in the car, and this is pretty much the first time I've seen a car that's actually got a stereo system in the car
Yeah.
that you can rock the party when you're
Right.
out hopping.
Yeah.
Why did you put a system in the car?
Well, the car came with the system already, but as I started hopping it, you know, the more damage that it took and the beatings, everything just stopped working. So I started doing my own little thing, and I put the same system, except I just changed out the amps, but it's always been in there. I'm not gonna take no credit for that, you know.
All right, and is that a single pump or a double pump?
It's a double pump with 18 batteries. When I got it, it was only 10 and single pump.
So you put your little flavor on it.
Had to, bro, because when we went to Arizona the first time, and everybody knows, I was afraid of fucking hop because I already had much motors.
Right,
well,
right.
I ended up spending like $1,200 worth of motors. Yeah, just to be over there, you know. But not only out of my pocket, but my partners over here, they helped me out a lot, you know. So that's why, like I said, this is like a team car, you know, for us, you know. So, and if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be out there like that. I would have been in Atlanta and maybe Florida, but it's, you know, all their help has been taking us to different places, you know, where Atlanta has never been.
Right,
know?
right.
And like I said, I'm a humble person. I don't take anything like I did everything. You know, it's all a team.
And that's what it's about. Now let everybody know what club you represent. Where you from?
Represent Obsession Car Club from Atlanta. I've been with them for 4 years, and it's been heaven to me, honestly. You know?
Perfect. All right, we're going to get back with you on a future episode, but I appreciate it, Freddie.
Yeah, brother.
When you hear what I
ESP 9 Floor exclusive house. What it is, baby. We gon' take it there. P. Batters. Remix, I got P. Batters. Man, you know the hood listening right there, baby. Yeah. It will be a big death. Listen to me, I got a beautiful where we at, nigga? Let's go. I'm about cheese. You must be lactose intolerant. Spit bars of death. Pack toast for arguments. Something jump off, I don't wanna be slumped off. So I play my wolves close, trying to get jumps off. I wipe the crumbs off the table, got a clean plate. Cops don't roll deep enough to make my team shake. We handle our business, handling business. Got beef, handle your business. I eat that, you handle the dishes. Block work, make the world go round. It's clockwork, how the birds go down. Every time that the word go round, let a nigga stock up. He done Jacob the watcher, hating has shot up. I'm low key when I spot up. You real, but sound better than Carmen Jones singing the cops to avoid lockup. That's about as real as Monopoly dollars. Got dreams of ever stopping me, holla. Look, I'm living, niggas. Yo, come with it. Put cats through fitness. Have you eating on all types